Okay, so in this video we will learn. So whenever we are trying to write any a prompt for ChatGPT or any other AI platform, so in that case we need to use scenarios. So we will ask ChatGPT or any other tool that please you are providing results, that's okay, but for better understanding you provide the scenario. Okay, so let us check what kind of example it might be, how to use it. So the first thing is we are writing discuss customer service. So it's very a broad topic we are asking to ChatGPT that hey, discuss customer service. It is very broad question we are asking to ChatGPT or any other AI tools. Okay, so now instead of that, what we can say? We can say discuss how to handle a difficult customer service. How to handle a difficult customer service situation, providing a detailed scenario and appropriate response strategies. So I am asking, I am telling a problem that please handle how we can handle a difficult customer, how we can handle a difficult customer service situation. Please provide a detailed scenario. Please provide a detailed scenario and appropriate response strategies. So it is more modified, so I am sure that we will get the more better answer we will see in practically. Okay, now the second example is you are asking, suppose ChatGPT explain teamwork. So it's very broad question you are asking to ChatGPT. Instead of that, what you can write, explain the importance of teamwork. So you are asking the importance of teamwork in a project. Suppose you are taking any particular project, so there the importance of teamwork you want to ask, using a scenario where team collaboration leads to a successful outcome. So you are telling even ChatGPT, please provide a scenarios, use a scenario where team collaboration leads to a successful outcome. So what ChatGPT will do is ChatGPT will create a scenario and provide you the answer, so that you can understand, so that we can understand better that prompt. Okay, so ChatGPT will create the scenario and provide the solution. So again, the example number 3 is describe conflict resolutions. So again, it's a broad question you are asking. Instead of that, what we can do is describe a conflict resolution technique using a scenario. So how a scenario will help us to understand any topic very clearly. So suppose some complicated task is there, some complicated work is there. So if we provide scenario, it will provide it will break down all the complexity. So it will be more simplified, it will be more easy to understand. Okay, so you are asking ChatGPT describe a conflict resolution technique using a scenario where two colleagues disagree on a project direction. Okay, so again, let us practice. So suppose we are asking discuss a customer service, so it will provide a generic answer for sure. Let me go to ChatGPT. Create a new page. Refresh it. I'm hoping that you are practicing. You are creating your own content. You are creating your own example, and you are practicing. See here, I'm asking discuss customer service, so it will provide a random question, it will provide the generic answer. Customer service is a crucial aspects of any businesses, as it directly affects customers satisfaction, loyalty, and overall business success. Here are some key points to consider: importance of customer service, key element of good customer service. Under that responsiveness, empathy, all these things are there. Okay, what else? The else is channels of customer service, in person, telephone, email, live chat, social media, all the details. So strategies to improve customer service, all the generic answer you will get. A complete detailed and informative ideas you will get as you have asked the generic question. So it will provide a broad answer, a detailed and informative. For idea purpose it is correct, but for if you want to get some specific, some accurate answer, in that case you need to modify your prompt. Okay, so measuring customer service success, challenges in customer services, conclusion, and all these things. So it has given me a generic answer. Okay, so let's modify it. So now I am asking to ChatGPT that hey, discuss how to handle a difficult customer service situation, providing a detailed scenario and appropriate response strategies. So I want these two things: provide a detailed scenario and appropriate response. So accordingly it will provide me the response. See how professional it is, how accurate it is. See, it's creating a scenario so that you can understand, so that we can understand it better. See, it's saying handling a difficult customer service situation requires patience, empathy, and effective communication skill. Here is a detailed scenario and appropriate response strategies. So what is the scenario? A customer, Mrs. Smith, calls the customer service hotline furious about a product she recently purchased. She claims the product arrived damaged and it's demanding a full refund and compensation for the inconvenience. She threatens to leave a negative review online and tell all her friends about her bad experience. So this is the scenario, this is the situation. This is the scenario ChatGPT created for a difficult customer. Okay, now the response strategies. So now response, so what you can do is you can create also your what you can do, you can suppose you are a retailer or you are in the customer service field industry. So what you can do, you can create that customer, suppose you have that customer feedback. So what you can do is you can paste the customer feedback, and now you can take the suggestion from ChatGPT that hey ChatGPT, this is the scenario, how we can cool down the customer, how we can manage that customer, how we can handle that customer. So ChatGPT will provide the response. So you can ask us, please provide me step by step guide how we can cool down that customer, how we can handle that difficult customer. Okay, otherwise for experiment purpose, testing purpose, or any information purpose, what you can do, you can write this prompt. So ChatGPT will create the scenario and it will provide the solution. So it has created a scenario and now it's providing the solution. Response strategies, what? Stay calm and listen actively. Okay, so initial response, what should it be? Hello, Mrs. Smith, I am very sorry to hear about the damaged product you received. Let us assure you, I am here to help. I am here to help resolve this issue for you. Okay, active listening. Allow Mrs. Smith to fully express her frustration without interrupting. Nod or use verbal acknowledgements like I understand or else. So this is the basic things. I pretty detailed and expensive pretty details and informative idea. So how you will handle those customers. The first thing is stay calm and listen actively. Initial response, active listening, then show empathy and apologize sincerely, then gather information, detailed information verification, then offer a solution, immediate action. So now it has given, ChatGPT has given a step-by-step formula how you can cool down that customer, how you can handle that customer. So offer a solution. Okay, offer a solution, follow through and confirm. Excuse me. Follow through and confirm, then document the interaction and all these things. Key points to remember: stay professional, be empathetic, offer clear solution, follow up, learn and improve. Email script. So if you want to write an email script, customer saying, I can't believe this, I can't believe this product arrived completely damaged and this is unacceptable, I want a refund and compensation for this mess. Agent what kind of say, I'm really sorry. So here the like a conversation it is providing. Suppose mail conversation. So customer is saying this and agent is saying, oh, I am sorry, I'm really sorry to hear about this, Mrs. Smith. I can understand how upsetting this must be. Let's get this sorted out for you. Can you please provide me with your order number and describe the damage? So through email or through telephonic conversation, suppose they want to do. So this is the scenario. Okay, by following these steps and now by following these steps and maintaining a customer focused approach, difficult customer service situation can be handled effectively, ensuring customer satisfaction and loyalty. Okay, so based on your prompt, it has created a scenario. Then how you should respond, it's provided the response. How key points you need to remember, those things also covered. And suppose example script here it is given. So the conversation should be like this. Customer ask this kind of thing, so you can continue. So this is so scenario, it is created by ChatGPT only. You can provide your scenario and based on that you can ask ChatGPT how we can solve it. Okay, so it will provide a customer service solution. Okay, let's go to the example number 2. Explain teamwork. So it will provide a generic answer, I'm sure. Let's check. Explain teamwork, it will provide a generic response. Teamwork involves individuals working collaboratively to achieve a common goal or complete a task in the most efficient and effective way. It is a fundamental aspects of many fields, including business, sports, education, and healthcare. Okay, so it has provided regarding teamwork actually. So regarding teamwork, it has provided a lot of detailed information, comprehensive details, comprehensive and detailed information it has provided. Okay, so importance of teamwork, synergy, efficiency, innovation, support, key elements of effective teamwork, clear goals, defined roles, open communication, trust, diversity, mutual respect. So all the detailed information you will get because you wanted to know about the teamwork. So that's why it has provided a detailed long detailed article. It has provided overcoming common teamwork challenges, examples of successful teamwork, and all the details, measuring teamwork success, and all the details is provided. So it's a detail for understanding purpose, for taking information for idea purpose. It is quite good, but if you want to get some specific answer, you need to modify your prompt like this. Explain the importance of teamwork in a project using a scenario. So you are asking for a scenario. Let's check. Explain the importance of teamwork in a project using a scenario where team collaboration leads to a successful outcome. So you are asking ChatGPT that please provide a scenario so that we can understand it better. Now what is teamwork is. Let's check. So it will be more professional, it will be more to the point, it will be more accurate response you will get. So importance of teamwork in a project. Now it is, as you mentioned, in project, so it is there. Scenario, launching a new product. Suppose scenario is launching a new product. Imagine a company planning to launch a new tech gadget. The project involve various departments, research and development, marketing, sales, customer support. The following is a detailed scenario illustrating the importance of teamwork in this project. So see here, project kickoff meetings, clear goals, defined roles, then the collaborative development phase, then marketing and sales strategy, then the pre-launch testing, then launch phase, then the post-launch support and outcome is this. Key takeaways: enhanced creativity, improved efficiency, better problem solving, increased accountability, higher morale, Okay, so this now you can see, suppose it is already mentioned that it is in a project, the importance of teamwork in a project. So it has provided a scenario, and accordingly how a teamwork a team is responsible for this, how a team can react on it. So it has given step by step project, kickoff meeting, then the collaborative, and all the details scenario it has given. Okay, so I think it's pretty clear to you that whenever you are asking anything, suppose this kind of situation, so in that case you can ask ChatGPT or any other AI tools about the scenario. So please provide the scenario so that we can understand it better. So when the conversation type something will happen now, so that time we will understand more. So our customer is saying this, and salesperson is saying this, customer is saying this, and the representative is saying this. So like the conversation type, if we do something, so it will be more helpful for us. We can the understanding level will be higher, so we can understand very easily. Okay, so if you have that scenario, so what you can do, you can provide it and you can ask ChatGPT to provide the answer. Otherwise what you can do is you can tell for experiment purpose, you can tell ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, please provide me a scenario, and then provide me the solution also, how we can handle that complex situation or difficult customer. Okay, so yeah, so here I have only mentioned 3 examples. I think for practice purpose you need to create another 5 or 10 examples, and you then you replace your content, you replace your subject, your topic, your industry, you replace everything and then practice it. So I'm sure you will get the better version of your prompt. Okay, I think it's clear to you, and you have got some idea about this, how to use scenario and how it is beneficiary for us. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.